Hey girl, I've got something real important to give you, so just sit down and listen. Girl, you know we've been together such a long time.
Such a long time.
And now I'm ready to lay it on the line.
Wow, you know it's Christmas and my heart is open wide.
Open wide.
Gonna give you something so you know what's on my mind.
What's on my mind?
A gift real special, so take off the top.
Take a look inside. It's my hand in a box.
It's in a box.
Not going to get you a diamond ring. That sort of gift don't mean anything.
Not gonna get you a fancy car. Girl, you gotta know you're my shining star.
Not going to get you a house in the hills. A girl like you needs something real.
Wanna get you something from the heart. Something special, girl.
It's my hand in a box.
My hand in a box, yeah.
It's my hand in a box.
Ooh, my hand in a box, girl. See, I'm wise enough to know when a gift needs giving, and I got just the one. Something to show you that you are second to none.
To all the fellows out there with ladies to impress, it's easy to do, just follow these steps. 1.
Cut a hole in a box.
2.
Put your hand in that box.
3.
Make her open the box.
And that's the way you do it. It's my hand in a box.
My hand in a box, yeah.
It's my hand in a box.
Ooh, my hand in a box, girl.
Christmas.
Hand in a box.
Hanukkah.
Hand in a box.
Kwanzaa.
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 Hand in a box. Every single holiday, a
Hand in a box. Over at your parents' house, a hand in a box.
Midday at the grocery store, a hand in a box.
Backstage at the CMAs, a hand in a box. Yeah, well.
Hand in a box. Hand in a box. Hand in a box. Sweetie.